So this is our silk habitai blouse. We wanted a top version that you can wear with denim or any of our trousers, which goes with this. This dress went down the runway. It catches hair beautifully, and it has this great cape.
So that's your red group there.
Yeah, the red group. That's really techy. It's almost like a vest, but it is a top.
It's like
it has this underlayer.
Yeah, like for modesty.
Yeah, but we absolutely love that. It kind of feels like a windbreaker, but
Yes,
it's not.
yes. You know, I love it when they use materials that normally you wouldn't think that you would, you know, you would think windbreaker, but then when you do it like this, kind of elegant. So that's the white.
Yeah, this is the white. This is the Eco Poplin bubble hem again.
Yeah, that bubble hem is a strong feature of the season.
It is, yeah. And what we like to do for one of the looks, we actually turned it around so the buttons were in the back.
Oh, is that
and it looked like a high collar
in the front.
Yeah,
amazing.
Yeah. And then we paired it with that.
Oh, you see, that is beautiful. The creamy, that's creamish, like off-white with pure white.
Yes, exactly. And you know, the buttons in the front would have been way too distracting.
Right. Let's look at the gold.
Yeah.
I love that. I love the navy. Navy is one silk color that really, I wish people could do more with. But
yeah, it's, you know, it is actually hard to get navy right.
Yeah,
because there's a lot of that use like too much purple in it that like make it too light. This is a really rich navy.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah, and then this is our lobster clasp.
That you can wear. Fun. You know what's that? They think that the cowboys
the bolo.
Bolo. Yeah, you can wear it as a bolo.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
that's important.
Yeah. So this is our sweatshirt, but it has these belt loops
and it's
to play with proportion. It kind of exaggerates the look. This incredible Dennis blazer. It has a little bit of a structured shoulder, but it's suiting.
It's classic,
It's classic,
easy. But that's dot. That's very important.
And this is a custom print that we
custom print. Is that printed?
Well, it's like a custom
weave.
Yeah, that we call it a print, but our design team worked with the mill to get this.
Yes, got it.
And then this has a barrel shape to it, so it kind of pulls out,
volume,
but still has so much ease.
Absolutely. And I want to get the raincoat and the raincoat.
Oh, the raincoat. Sorry.
Yes, very important.
Yes. So this is our trench for the season. It has a removable sleeve, and that was purely functional.
Right.
But also looks really chic and has the high collar.
Shorts. Okay.
Yeah.